Just don't try to steal my glasses and we'll all be friends. You little boy. Oh. There is a monkey right there. What the hell? Oh my god, there's another one. Dude. So monkeys just live in this city. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Awesome.
Your destination is on the left.
What? There's a monkey. This place is nuts. Alright, I gotta try to park and figure out where to go here. So many monkeys. So many. What are these guys doing? He's got a leaf. What's he doing? Oh my god. Trash monkeys. Trash monkey. I definitely don't want to get bit by any of these guys. Who knows what diseases they have. They're not like the monkeys in Bali where they like sit on you. There's nobody here watching out for you. No like people to make sure they're not stealing your shit. The only thing I'm really worried about is my watch because I lost a band on it and my sunglasses. That would not be cool if they stole either one of those because they're both super expensive. They don't seem to be minding me just hanging out around here. I'm surrounded by them right now. And they're not really coming to steal anything, it doesn't seem like. What you trying to do there, dude? What you doing? They're all pretty young. There's only a few really big ones. Definitely want to stay away from them. Flies are just going for my open wounds right now. Look at this old man. The old man is walking up. Hello. Hey, old guy. You want yogurt? You want a yogurt? Don't spill. Don't spill. Here you go. Good boy. Oh, so cute. You like it? It's good? Probiotics. Yeah. That way you can eat all kinds of nasty trash. And don't get sick. Oh, what are you doing? No. You spilled it. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Ooh, okay. It's okay. Go ahead and drink it. Well, I just got jacked. This guy jumped on my back and bared his teeth at me. He wanted all of the yogurt. He's younger. I think, yeah, he's probably the equivalent of like a 25-year-old human. The old one was cool. He was just letting me feed him for the most part, but then I think one of them saw it from a distance. That one got one. Ooh, 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 ooh. See, they show their teeth when they're wanting to tell you to back up. Yeah, this one jumped on the back of me and reached around me and was grabbing him, and I wasn't letting go at first, and he showed his teeth to me. I was like, all right, I don't feel like getting rabies or AIDS or who knows what these guys might have. Oh yeah, chug it, chug that yogurt. Good job, buddy. You don't share very well though. Now this one's still closed. I would totally go for it, but I know that they would just jump on me. Just wanted to feed it to another one. He's like licking the drip. He's ran his tongue all along the drip. You aggressive little bastard. Come on, share with your buddy. The other one was smart. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Yeah, he came in and gaffled one real quick. Real quick, and then just ran off with it. Ooh, and the baby. So the locals call these guys gangster monkeys, and it's quite apparent why. They kind of just pack up and do what they want, and they're very aggressive. They've ruined a lot of the businesses around here. There's an area over by the temple thing over here where there's just like a bunch of abandoned, like 3-story building area. Oh, you can kind of see one from here. You know, like right there. That place just does not work because it's so infested with these monkeys over here. And they'll come in your house and steal any food and anything that they think they can play with or eat. And it's really tough on the local population, actually. And right now it's kind of chill because there's not really a lot of them ganged up anywhere. But what they'll do is... Oh, dude, are you seriously about to cross the street? Oh, God, here he goes. I guess they're pretty smart. What they'll do is gang up and have gang wars with each other, and they'll raid businesses to a point where they can't do anything. Like, even if they're swinging around a bat or a broom, there's like 100 of them. No exaggerating. There'll be 100 of them at once, and they'll just overpower anybody aside from just blasting them with a shotgun. But they don't do that here. Now they have some kind of symbiotic respect for them, which is really cool, because if you want to break it down, these guys were obviously here first. Hundreds and hundreds and maybe 1,000 years ago, there was nothing here. Oh, they're splashing in the bath. And they just never moved. Unlike some species who humans move in and they move out and go elsewhere. These macaques are hardy beasts. They just adapt to their urban environment here. So crazy. This is pretty cool. This is like some ruins for sure, but they've made sort of a protected playground for them right in the middle of the city. It's actually in the middle of a roundabout, and they're just everywhere. Not sure how these businesses are open. Like this monkey right here, sitting right at the bottom of the counter, but he doesn't jump up in there. I don't know how these guys fend him off. But they got like ladders and swings and a big old bath. Big old bath. Huh. Give me a bath. Dirty monkey. They're totally swimming around in here. Pretty cute. I saw one jump from the ladder down into this a little bit ago. Cannonball. Oh. Hey, what's your deal? No. Hey, get out of here. I don't know what you want, but I don't got it for you. God, they're aggressive. What'd you say?
They're quite cheeky, some of them.
Cheeky? You're British. Australian, whatever. Cheeky.
You don't use that one?
No, I just had to think about it for a minute. Cheeky. I thought that was only British. I didn't know it was Australian too. Oh, she got a baby on her. These are the only other Western foreigners I've seen here in Lopburi. They're from Australia. Ooh, look at the baby. Look at the little baby. These guys are so aggressive. I gotta watch out. Oh, it's an even smaller one. Oh, so tiny. Oh, this is like all the babies are around here. This must be the nursery area. Get him! Get him! What? You gonna let him punk you like that? You're bigger than him. I'm not super sure what this guy wants, but if it's hair, there's not a lot there, so be nice, bro. Hey! 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 Ugh. No! That's quite enough from you. There's a wet one. Wet one coming. These guys are getting mauled. I got mauled a little bit ago. I think I need to keep moving around. But one of them, that one that jumped on me, grabbed like a fistful of my hair, which is already falling out. Come on, bro. So I'm for sure getting out of here. I've worn out my welcome. These dudes are starting to get aggressive. It's like the teenage ones. The older ones, the moms or the babies, old men, they don't care. It's the like teenage ones. They're assholes. Cannonball! Come on! Oh, they're getting crazy over there. Something's happening. Oh, there might be a big fight. Oh, they're like, yeah, something riled them up. They're all running that way. Like 100 of them. I'm wondering if that is a different gang than the ones that are here on this side of the street. I'm guessing they are. Oh yeah, because these ones are all just postured right now and looking at whatever they're doing over there. So this must be their turf, and then that's a different gang. Hey! Just jumped on me. Oh, they're all coming over here. I wonder what this means. Maybe they are part of this crew. Oh, hello. Just want to sit on my foot. Oh, hey, buddy. Ooh, ooh. They won't bite my pants. They don't taste like anything. Yeah, see? You're so cute. Hello. You're so cute. No, you can't have my phone. Oh. Ooh. You just don't try to steal my glasses and we'll all be friends. You little boy. Oh. Oh. I know where this is going. As long as you don't steal my glasses, we'll be cool. Hey, I have nothing. He's like searching me right now, patting me down. Hey. Alright, that's enough. Hey. No. Get off. Hey. Jesus. Oh, it had to be a wet one too. God. Did I catch all that? Oh, I did. Nice. This guy's pissed about something. What you doing, little one? Truly got to count myself lucky that they did not get in my pocket and steal my keys. My keys would have got jacked. I am way too far from Bangkok. I think I'm like 250 kilometers from Bangkok. That would have sucked. But anyway, here's this place. This is Prang? Prang. Okay. Very old. I'm gonna have to Wikipedia this because I don't see anything about how old it is yet. Prang Sam old. Okay. Oh, the baby monkeys. Oh no, these are teenagers. Young teenagers. The worst ones. Wow. This is awesome. Okay, so this thing is telling me that it was built in the 18th century, well, the 18th Buddhist century. So maybe that is a meaning that I'm not understanding what the 18th Buddhist century is. because I would imagine that's the 1700s, but maybe not. Maybe the 18th Buddhist century is older, because I just read a pamphlet saying that this place, Prang was built in the 12th century or 13th century, so in the 1200s, and that makes more sense to me because I'm looking at it and it's old. This is so old. It's much different looking from Ayutthaya or Sukhothai, which Sukhothai I thought was the oldest for sure. Oh. And each one of these things is a prang, and they're all connected together. Obviously, you can see that. Ooh, this Buddha looks really old. I'm wondering if this gang is different than the other one. Why are you following me? This is concerning. Don't follow me. My arm definitely got scratched by one. Hopefully it's not super infected. I'm sure they have a little bit of grossness that I'll be itching from later, but nothing serious. Been taking my vitamins. Oh, this probably looks cool at night. Oh man, that's too bad I'm not here at night. Good lights around it. Oh, that's awesome. That's a shitty job. I would not want to sit here in the heat all day. Oh yeah, I haven't even said in this video because I'm so used to it now. It is 102. Yeah, 102 degrees and probably about 95% humidity. 94, 95, I think it said earlier. So it's pretty hot, but Thailand, I'm just used to it now. There's actually a really nice breeze. That's what the game changer is here in central Thailand for the first time, having breeze, because I've obviously now spent a decent amount of time in central Thailand, between my Nakhon Sawan and Ayutthaya and Sukhothai. Like I know central Thailand decently well for a tourist. But having the breeze is not something I ever experienced before. Maybe it's because it's like rainy season now, even though there's obviously not a cloud in the sky. Maybe some tiny ones up to the north, but it's been nice having this breeze. No monkeys on this side. Must be because of the sun. Oh, there's one. Just one. Wish I could go inside. I wonder if this is the one. I don't think it is. There's one of the Wats in central Thailand where they went in after like 300-400 years of it being discovered and made a monument, and they went down underneath. They found a hidden chamber and it was just full of gold. Somehow thieves never found it. I don't know if it's this one though. There's some monkeys. You could call them monks because they're at the Wat. Not monks, monkeys. Oh, they're just trying to stay cool and sleeping, huddling together in the shade. Kind of cute. Awesome. And so again, somebody told me that the monkeys are actually super chill right now. and things can get very violent and crazy when they start ganging up and having gang wars. They also, these buildings around here are all defunct because they live in them. You can see one right there sitting in the window. Yeah, they 100% live in all of these buildings around here. That one is defunct, that one is defunct, that one is defunct. They're just unable to withstand their takeovers. Right in the middle of town here. Well, I guess it's not the middle of town, it is the outskirts of Lopburi. Lopburi's center of town is way over there. But there's still a fair amount of town that goes out this way. It's just a little more suburban. All right, I think I'm gonna grab some food. Gotta head back and have my tattoo consultation. Hopefully we can do it. And look at all these buildings over here that are totally abandoned because the monkeys just took them over. Like all down that block over there, most of this block, all the way up to the corner, monkeys just live in all of these buildings. There's videos you can look up online of the insides. It's just wild. Wild. I've never in my life imagined or seen anything like this place.